Hey guys, Mr. Skylander
And Nintendo King.
and I have not been here for a while, and I'm going to make up with that because we just got Skylander Swap Force for Christmas, and so we're just going to open it. It's right in the tape. Oh yeah, tape. I get the game characters and portal. I got this. You get the rest. You get the rest. Yeah, you get. Look. These are the swapping characters. You can see. Washbuckler! Let's get the cards out of here. I'm getting Washbuckler here, y'all.
Ninja Stealth Elf, and he's getting Washbuckler.
I'm gonna break him. Just put it. I get the cards, okay, Brayden?
No, we each get the
Here's
card
the
that we
new
get.
portal of power. Oh no, he's broken. Why did we have to break him? This is exactly like last time.
He broke around the shape.
Okay. Get this out.
This is the video. The first time.
You can get those out.
Skylander.
But don't let them see the codes. Don't let them see the codes.
Don't worry, Easton.
Ninja Stealth Elf. Whoa, whoa. Look at that.
This is one of the smallest posters. Zulu.
Merry Christmas. You should go check out his channel because
Check out his channel.
Yeah, he's doing a marathon of all of the games I got for the 3 days in a row. And see you later.